So guys, good morning guys, good morning. So in my last video, I showed you an AI that can enable you to analyze the market and give you entry point. As you can see TP1 entry point, take one, TP1, TP2, TP3, up to TP5. This AI take out all the stress for you. The AI does all the analysis. It tells you what to look out for. It tells you when to enter. You can see the entry point. This is one of the easiest way to start trading Forex now. Even though you are an experienced Forex trader, with this AI tool, it will enhance and increase your winning rate. Now, this morning, this AI called for a what? For a sell. It called for a sell. And this is one of the scanner. This scanner have called for a sell. On 5 minute time frame, it have smashed up to TP4. You can see TP4. It have smashed TP4 and it's retracing back. Although I entered this trade on 15 minutes. I entered this trade on 15 minutes. And if I was to show you my other working tool here, you see that I'm trading this on 15 minutes. You can see it's tracing back. Though I've moved my my entry point, my stop loss above my entry point, right? So I expected it's going to do that. Now, although I'm using a little liquidity to trade, and this is where we're sitting at. Okay, so I actually placed my take profit on take profit 2. So as I said, you can see, all right, so I move it to TP2. I'm trading on 15 minutes, and you can see this 15 minutes. Now the good thing about this scanner is very, very simple. It analyzes, tells you. So I'm using 3 scanners to confirm my entry. Like, so if I come to my killer shot, so that is the second scanner. The first scanner is called the trend view, the trend wave, and it tells you sell or buy. Now, for example, you can see this is US 30. It's telling you that US 30 you can sell US 30. It's telling you can sell US 30. Right? Now, for the sake of this, if I should come back, let's finish first. So let me look for Euro USD. So this Euro. So what is it saying? Euro is telling us what? We should buy. Look at it. Powerful. Now, what you need to look at for here now, the first scanner showed us the entry point and it's telling us buy. Here you can see all you need is to see up, 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 and above, 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 and you're looking for good volume. That's a good confirmation. So that's confirmation number 2. So the third confirmation, which sometimes you can ignore, you can still use it, is what we call the Super Pro scanner. The Super Pro scanner also shows you if it's bearish, if it is bullish, or what have you. Right? Now you can see what we have here on this. Now it's actually telling us there's a pullback on 15 minutes. Yes, there's a pullback on 15 minutes, right? But now if you come on 5 minutes, you can see what it said is what? Bullish, trending, very strong. Is either you see very strong or strong. Now when you get these 3 confirmation, Oga, you are good to enter the market, right? So if I should come back to my trend view, so on 15 minutes there's a pullback, but I'm holding this trade, right? I'm holding this trade. I'm holding this trade. I'm holding the trade. So now look at US 30. It have on US 30 1 hour is what? Is a buy. Now if we should come to 30 minutes, it have triggered a sell. 15 minutes, a sell. Already it have hit TP1. On 5 minutes, it have hit what? TP3. I remember we came to what? Our what? We came to the kill short scanner. The kill shot have given us a good confirmation, say, Oga, go and sell this thing. But meanwhile, let's try the third scanner and see what is going to give us on US 30. So on US 30 is giving us there's going to be a pullback. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes is what? So this particular scanner have not confirmed the 2 scanners, but is it safe for you to say enter from kill shot? Yes, it's also safe, but it is safer safer, better if this can also give you a confirmation that's going to be a sell, right? But kill short and trend wave are also they are also what they are good to go. That you can use the analysis and actually enter the market. So what am I trying to show here is that this scanner is user friendly, ladies and gentlemen. It's one of the scanners you should have in your arsenal. It's one of the arsenal you should have rather. Okay, you need to add this to your arsenals of trading machines. So look at it. It have smashed TP2. Powerful, powerful, powerful. And let's see on my trade here. Let's see alpha. Let's see alpha. You can see it have take off the TP2. And let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here.